Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. And today I have a little thrift haul for you guys. Actually, it's little but like not so little, but you'll see. So, I went to the thrift store because I am going to start working on a cosplay and I wanted to go and try and find all of the fabrics I need. And of course, I always look around the thrift store and I find other stuff. So first I'm going to show you all the cool stuff, extras I got, and then I'll just show the fabric that I got for the cosplay. Okay, so the first thing I found were these shoes. And actually, the inside is super, super comfortable. I really, really like them. Everything is clean and sanitized, by the way. I really, really like them. The only thing is, it would have been cooler if these would have came in black, because then I could have, like, worn them out. I'm pretty sure they're supposed to be like slippers, but I don't care. I'll wear slippers out as long as my feet are comfortable. But anyways, this is the first item. I actually went like back and forth with these. I saw them the first time and I was like, those are really neat, but then I was like, nah, I don't need them. I always wear sneakers. And then I kept going back to them, so I was like, you know what? If I go back to something this many times, I should grab it. So that's what I did. The next thing is this little thingy. I believe it's used as, well, pretty much you could put anything on it, but I believe like almost like a spice rack or something. You put it in like a cabinet and then put your spices and you can see them. Well, I'm gonna use it for dolls. I have the perfect spot on one of my little dresser thingies that this will go, and I can set my dolls here and my dolls here. So I have the perfect spot for this. This is awesome. If I would have found more, I would have bought more, but I only found the one. So I'll have to keep an eye out for those. Speaking of dolls, the next thing I found is, you're gonna hear some crinkling. I'm sorry. This bag is filled with doll stands. I was so happy to find like these bigger doll stands because I have a couple of dolls that are using some of my smaller doll stands, and it doesn't look so good. And plus, I want my smaller doll stands for some of my smaller dolls that don't have stands. So I finally found big stands for the bigger dolls, so it'll look so much better and be so much better. So I was so excited to find like a bunch of doll stands. There's like eight doll stands in here, so that is awesome. The next little extra thing before I start going into the fabric is I found a Disney World autograph book. I was so excited. There's nothing even written in it. It's completely blank, but it's so awesome. And it was only 99 cents. And then there's like all of, like the back design has all of the signatures. The sticker was here, so this spot is a little sticky. I tried to get it off the best I could, but it's fine. I just love it. This is so cute. Alright, now to get into the fabric side of things. So the first fabric I'm going to show you, I think, is pretty much like the coolest. It doesn't go with the cosplay, but of course I always look at the bed sheet section and stuff like that, and sometimes you can find bed sheets that have prints of stuff that I like, or, in your case, stuff that you like, and so I buy those. And this time, I found a Five Nights at Freddy's bed sheet. It is fitted, so I would have to go in, remove the elastic, and probably rip these seams to get like a full scale of how much fabric I have to work with. But that is perfectly okay because it has Freddy and Foxy and Bonnie and Chica, the whole like original gang. And I thought this was so cool. So I don't know what I would turn this into. I typically like with the like with any other bed sheet I see or something like that, if it has a print on it that I like, I immediately buy it, because it's usually like so much cheaper than if you go and try and buy like fabric in a store, and so that's really good. So I'm gonna set that up there. So that is it for the extras. Now I'm going to get into the fabric that I'm using for my cosplay. Now, I went to the thrift store on a Sunday, which, as I'm sure you've guessed, is like, ooh, because Sunday comes after Saturday, and Saturday is usually when everything is picked over and taken, and all the good stuff is gone. But I successfully found all the fabric that I need. So yes, I have found all of the fabric I need. Now, all of it's not here because as of recording this video, I kind of already started. So yes, I'm just going to show you what I can. The first thing, see, like this is already cut up. I already finished this piece. The first thing is there was a bed sheet and a fitted sheet with this purple fabric, this purple like gradient kind of marbled fabric that I bought. There was a regular bed sheet and a fitted sheet for, I believe it was a twin size bed. So that was this. Then I found these amazing like purple I'm just gonna call it purple. These purple pillowcases that will work perfectly. I'm just setting it all over here now. And then, okay, I have a bunch. I didn't even realize what these were until I like actually unfolded them. I guess they're like, are there drapes? Is this open? Oh, I guess they're like little curtains that you would put like, I have a full curtain here, but I guess like a little one. Sometimes you find in kitchens and bathrooms and stuff. So I got a whole bunch of like these, but it'll work perfectly actually. So I got a bunch of these. I try and fold it, keep everything slightly organized. See, I just got a bunch of them. And then for the last thing to show, I bought this like gold yellow, I don't know what it's called, but they go like in the center of like a table, like as almost like a centerpiece or something, like a decoration item. So I grabbed this because this would also be perfect for the cosplay. Now, the other two things I don't have to show because they are pretty much like the same thing. I bought two white bed sheets. One is just a standard bed sheet. I think it said a twin size bed on the tag. My nose itches, what the heck. And then the other is a big fitted sheet. It almost looks like it's for maybe like a full size bed or something, but either way, those worked perfectly. Well, I only know about the one. I only know about the regular bed sheet. I haven't worked on the piece for the fitted bed sheet yet, but the purple fabric that I showed you and the white bed sheet so far working great. So yes, that is pretty much my thrift haul. I just wanted to show you guys what I got at the thrift store and that there will be a cosplay video sometime at some point. So that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later. Oh, and please take care of yourself. Make sure to drink water, get sleep, eat some food. Just, take care of yourself. Do stuff that you enjoy. Okay, I will see you later. Okay, bye.